Welcome to the PlanetWise channel. Today, we will explore the exciting world of ESG frameworks and standards. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors are becoming increasingly important in the corporate world, and it is essential to understand how these frameworks work. In this video, we will demystify ESG, examine popular frameworks, and how they promote sustainable practices. Decoding ESG. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance, the three factors that are shaping responsible business practices. Environmental factors consider a company's ecological impact, social factors focus on its impact on people and communities, and governance deals with its ethical and transparent leadership. The significance of ESG frameworks. ESG frameworks provide structured guidelines for businesses to assess, measure, and report their ESG performance. These frameworks help organizations navigate complex sustainability issues and communicate their efforts transparently to stakeholders. Highlighting leading ESG frameworks, let's focus on some notable ESG frameworks. Global Reporting Initiative (GRI) offers comprehensive reporting standards for companies to disclose their economic, environmental, and social impacts. Sustainability Accounting Standards Board (SASB) provides industry-specific standards, helping companies disclose financially material sustainability information. Task Force on Climate-Related Financial Disclosures (TCFD) focuses on climate-related risks and opportunities, aiding companies in understanding and disclosing climate impacts. The role of UN Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals provide a global blueprint for addressing critical issues like poverty, inequality, and climate change. Aligning ESG efforts with the SDGs amplifies the positive impact. ESG integration into business strategy. ESG isn't just about reporting, it's about weaving sustainability into a company's DNA. Integrating ESG into core business strategies enhances long-term resilience and reputation. Benefits of ESG adoption. Embracing ESG isn't just altruistic, it's smart business. Companies with robust ESG practices tend to attract investors, foster innovation, reduce risks, and strengthen stakeholder relationships. ESG reporting and accountability. ESG reporting goes beyond compliance. It's about accountability and continuous improvement. Transparent reporting holds companies to their commitments and encourages progress. A call to action. As responsible citizens of this planet, let's champion companies that uphold ESG principles. By demanding transparency and supporting sustainable practices, we can shape a more equitable and environmentally conscious world. Conclusion. From the GRI to the SASB, from climate disclosures to the UN SDGs, ESG is catalyzing a new era of responsible business. Let us share this knowledge, start conversations, and work together to create a brighter, more sustainable future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content.